It's the Texas weather discussion video. This is for Wednesday, the 16th of May. I'm Donovan Neal. North Texas weather, very warm and very humid with a few spotty showers and thunderstorms possible. Not everyone will see rain, but most places will stay dry with a mix of sun and clouds. So let's take a look across the upper air, look across the nation. This morning, we have our upper low that's spinning off in the Gulf of Mexico. We'll get to that in just a second, but we have our main wave feature. It is located in eastern Canada. That's been putting out severe weather through parts of our northeast sector with that cold front coming through yesterday. And let's take a look down here in our neck of the woods. This is the radar early this morning. You can see most of the scattered showers and storms located in West Texas near Abilene and San Angelo. But up here, we still deal with the risk for spotty showers. And again, that's going to be the deal. That's going to be the deal for most of this afternoon and evening. We'll deal with the risk for mainly spotty showers and maybe an occasional strong thunderstorm. Let's take a look at the temperatures early this morning. Lows mostly in the mid 60s to mid 70s across the region this morning, and around the nation, most of the hottest air stays to the east of us, where they've been having more 90-degree days in recent days down there in the east. Take a look across the watch warning map. Amazingly quiet for this time of the year this morning. And let's take a look across the convective outlooks. We've got a marginal risk for severe storms for mostly the central 2/3 of Texas. And of course, that extends into the western high plains. And of course, that includes all of the DFW metro area. And again, we'll deal with the risk for occasional spotty showers and thunderstorms. And one or two of those storms could be on the strong side. And here's this day 2, which is tomorrow, which is Thursday. We've got a marginal risk for severe storms in effect for parts of western Oklahoma, extending into the panhandles into this western and central high plains. Surrounding that is standard slight risk in effect for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, and parts of Nebraska and South Dakota. But down here in North Texas, we're in light green, which means we could see some thunder, but no organized severe weather is expected. And this is day 3, which is Friday. We've got that standard slight risk in effect for parts of Colorado, including Denver, and parts of Kansas and Nebraska. And surrounding that, we have that marginal risk for severe storms in effect. And let's take a look out at what's happening in our sea. So this is our broad feature that we've been talking about in recent days. And you can see this is just a disorganized band of showers and thunderstorms. Obviously, no chance of formation with this storm. And of course, the NHC has given this only a 10% chance of developing into a tropical or subtropical cyclone within the next 5 days. Obviously, really no signs of developing with this storm. Obviously, the main threat is going to be heavy rain, and occasional thunderstorms. So this is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Most of the rainfall stays to the east of us. Down here, amounts really below a quarter of an inch of rain for most of North Texas. Most of the rain amounts stay to in the Texas Panhandle, where they need it the most. So let's talk all about it. Let's go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see that weakness in the ridge caused by the upper disturbance in the Gulf. Down here, we'll deal with the risk for occasional showers and thunderstorms. Nothing very widespread, but just occasional showers and thunderstorms. Most places should stay dry. Highs mostly in the upper 80s to low 90s. Thursday, we do warm up some. Of course, we'll still mention the risk for occasional showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the low 90s. And Friday, we pretty much clear house here. Again, sun comes out in full force. Highs mostly in the mid 90s. And here's the weekend. Pretty much the same weather here. This is Saturday. And this is Sunday. We'll basically deal with mostly sunny skies with a few clouds here and there, with highs mostly in the low to mid 90s. should be the hottest weekend thus far again. And here's Monday of next week. Monday, as a surface front pushes to the south, we'll deal with the risk for mainly isolated showers and thunderstorms. Most of the rain activity stays in the panhandle and to the north of us, but we'll deal with occasional isolated showers and thunderstorms on Monday. Highs should be in the low 90s with a mix of sun and clouds. And same thing on Thursday. We'll deal with spotty showers and storms, highs in the low 90s. And here's 7 days. Here's out 7 days. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 23rd of May. We've got mostly a ridge down here in the deep south, and down here we should be dry as a result of that ridge. Highs should be in the mid 90s. And here's out 10 days. This is Friday, the 25th of May. We have troughing out in the Pacific. We have a ridge here, and down here we should stay dry. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, these numbers coming from the European ensemble past May 22nd. I think these are underdoing it, that this European ensemble is underdoing these numbers by about 4 or 5 degrees. So we'll check the GFS ensemble, and you can see it has a more accurate representation of the temperatures for going out into late May. Highs mostly stay in the low to mid 90s, and lows will obviously stay in the low to mid 70s. Very mild as we head into June. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I have more notes in the blog. The next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.